friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a quick install, quick review. Today's hair sponsor is Tuneful hair. This is actually my first collaboration with them and I am impressed, you guys. Today I have installed a 24-inch 5x5 Body Wave highlight brown wig. If you're wondering what this is, that is a burn. I burnt myself. So today we're gonna do a fresh out of the box install. Ooh, it smells nice. It has like a light fragrance to it. Okay, first thing first. I'm gonna secure the baby hairs with some hairspray. Okay, that's not working.
Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right from.
I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit of lace tint around the hairline here. Can't really see, but there's some spots where I'm noticing the lace.
Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
I don't know if I want to change the curls on this unit. I think I'm gonna spray some flat iron spray.
Yeah, sometimes
I tame those frizzies just the tiniest bit. And lastly, we're gonna go in and clean up the part. It's not giving scalp at the moment because I don't have on a wig cap underneath, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that. You make a mess, all you do is go in with a damp rag, clean that up. And there we have it, you guys, we are done. Ooh, you guys, out of the box install. As you can see, the highlights are placed mainly just right there, and everything else is just pretty much brown. I wanted to show you guys this wig fresh out of the box install without any manipulation of the curl pattern. So this is the curl pattern when you get her out of the box. I did not bleach or pluck or do anything to this hairline. This is how the wig looks, and it is an HD lace. I would say, yeah, it's pretty HD. It blends in pretty well. I just put some tinting lace mousse on a few spots, and I really think that it turned out pretty good. One thing that I noticed right off the bat when I got the unit, it smelled really nice. Like it has like a nice light baby powder scent, so sweet and airy. That's why I was like, you know what, I can definitely wear this wig out of the box. The hair feels really good. It is definitely 24 inch. When you wet her, sure, it's gonna stretch to even longer, but of course it's in its styled length right now. It doesn't feel thin at all. It's just a beautiful unit, you guys. I love the brown color. The brown is like a very natural color. That brown is actually like what my hair color looks like. I like the little face framing highlights. I think it's very pretty. It's very much fall. I'm here for it, you guys. Super comfortable wig to wear. It's just overall a 10 out of 10 for me. I love this unit. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. If you have any questions for me, leave that in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on today's install. What do you think? Can we just get away with putting on the wig and doing a fresh out of the box install? I think so. I think I slayed this unit, you guys. More closure wigs, because closure wigs makes me very happy. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.